Masunod lang kami. Din tamagi.
120.
Ikaw yan, Ton. Biling ka lang. Diba si Kutok ka to? So we are going to check the pig now. Eh. So we are going to check the pig now here. This is a live pig. Oh my gosh. I felt awkward now to make a video without Roy. Okay, so this is their house. They have a lot of pig in here. Oops. Okay. Wow. They are planting here. There is someone just plowing the soil. Look at the soil, guys. It's very organic and the color is really black. Manami mo, tomato man oh.
Tamna na
They plant a sweet potato here. Ari oh. Sweet potato.
Ano tanom nyo? Mais?
They're going to plant a sweet corn. Minami no.
Ay.
Tambok-tambok. Tambok-tambok ang mga kamuti ay. Ay.
Mga galay, bro.
Galay tanom to puro samnan to. Puti ni siya. Yellow.
Wow.
Ano, pula.
Amo na de? Dulu lechonon. So here's the pig, guys. It's not like really big. It looks like they are good for lechon.
Ano ni siya mag-utod?
Ato gawad ako gawang. Sige. Ganito.
Nalapaan ko na yan.
Ariyo?
Yawan mo?
Pila ni biatag yung binaw. Gamay ka lang tayo.
Amuli gamay.
Ara pa itong bugado na di. Ang kambang lain man niya.
Uto din sa tanan?
Oh.
Tingang gamay na siya.
Kasi lupit sa kaon.
Ano yung ba eh, laki?
They are all siblings.
Lupit sa kaon nga nang gipos lang.
Din ba?
Ari pa na namin kung nagdako-dako sa
Mga pila kilos tumit mo na ako. Ako.
hindi ganit ko ano to, 30.
Ha?
Hindi ko 30.
Nahihawang mo na nagani 40 sobra, 43. Oh. Nabakla na po na eh. 95.
Hari taas mo.
Pila?
95.
Mari dako gawa mo.
Lingguhod.
Amo na kadako, nasa duwa. Kamo po ni color na lokalo.
Then,
Ara mo na color. Ato pa ito, sabado po to ihawon.
Hari madako siya mo.
hindi. Tanaw namin. Kuya, dako lang.
Hindi ari ka dyan dako.
Hmm?
Dako niyo.
Baksin sulong. Hindi man isa man ang mga litsan inin. Ang galagpo. Ay, pila kilo na man. Magkarinta kilos. 20
Karne na lang kamo.
Hmm?
Karne. Tapos gaan pa lang kamo, ano, baka lang kamo lain sa sudlan. Kanan niya sa sudlan, inyo.
Ay, yung tambang, okay. Anong itong lubo? Ikot. Hindi siya lubog.
Okay, so they sell 9,500 but Mama seems not happy about that because they're still a bit
small, they are good for lechon. So I don't know what's going on here now. I think we will just buy per kilo. Yeah, what do you think, guys? Kagmay ton? Kagmay? No? I've Tonton said they are a bit small. They are good for lechon. Oo. Okay, so we will just buy here now a per kilo instead of one whole pig. So we are going to buy here and we are going to buy there so that it's fair also for them.
85.350.
So Manan just give us 200 per kilo and over there it's 230. Ito may
Pati lang
silakyan.
ko pasulod, day. Kung may sako ka, day. To, makuha lang ko day sa ino, to. Ano nila magdala? Pagsun sa sako?
Wow.
Wala. Tabunan.
So we got them 10 kilogram and over here it's 25. So we get like 35 kilogram. So yeah, let's see.
Galing ka problema sila ganun. Pagsulod. Maingaw. Pagkit ba lang sa atakaan.
Tingin pa na yun. Kailan mo ba tingin?
Okay, so I just paid there 3,150 and here it's pilata
5,300.
Dala na nakasay, day.
5,340. Here's all the meat. Damo man gali no?
Para nang
Anon ko lang din yung masalakyan. Okay guys, we just decided to Mama that we're going to buy both sides of them so that it's fair and you're not going to, you know, talk something with us. And I'm going to tell Roy now to move here. Yeah, so everything is okay now. So I just paid 8,000 pesos for this. We get 40 kilogram. Alright guys, so hi, did you sleep?
No. But it was hot.
Yeah, it's really hot. So I just tell Troy about what we did with Mama there. I didn't really make a video because I'm gonna speak English. Maybe they feel awkward because they didn't know that you are a foreigner. Maybe you can close a bit your window. But it's okay. They just gave us a discount there. The one girl, she sell us 200 per kilo, and the one he's sell us 210 per kilo.
So we're going to turn around.
Yeah. We will just going to pick up the meat there or the baboy. So yeah.
Look how tiny that monkey cab is.
Yeah. The head.
Where should I go?
Just there next to the tricycle.
Okay. Oh yeah, I see it. Is that Mama over there?
Okay, so Mama's over there and I'm going there now.
Yep.
Palag lang ko akwata. Can I buy the cake?
Okay.
Oh, it's like there.
Can you ask if they have Ampil tablets here?
Thank you, Nang. Layog lang ko din nung so he's the owner also.
Wala dahil.
Thank you. Wala tuntas ang bakal pa ko di ampil. I'm going to buy her a ampil for the chicken. The one 45 days is not feeling well. May ampil ka mo din ang? Ampil? Dito? Okay. Thank you. He said they doesn't have there. I will just go there in the Agrivet supply. Okay, so we just stopped here in Biak na Bato for the lechon, and we're going to remind again that don't put a magic sarap. Maybe he forget. This is the last reminder for him.
Ajinomoto, magic
Yeah.
syrup.
Just only a black pepper, lemongrass,
Yeah, use all of those words.
and paprika. Yeah?
Yeah, and salt.
Yeah. Or salt.
That's how you make it all crackly.
Yeah, without Ajinomoto. Hopefully it's there again.
It's MSG,
Huh?
monosodium glutamate. Monosodium glutamate. People here just say Ajinomoto. They don't even know the words MSG.
I know.
No, you know because of me, but
Oh,
everyone else doesn't know MSG.
I know. So we just arrived here now, and they also have a lot of pig in here. Nung i-remind ko lang to be sa lechon ng waay lang bi nung bitsen or magic sarap. Nagkibas yun, nalipatan mo bla.
Nang butangan tara magic sarap.
Hindi pagbutangan. Ning lang makagamit ng mga mga black pepper, white pepper, dabi or paprika kag tanglad. Hindi lang gid magic sarap kay budlay.
Sige.
Moy nas lananod big ka magic sarap. Kag bitsin. We call that bitsin. Ajinomoto.
Sige.